Welcome back to the video. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome, and at the same time, I'm going to make use of Google Translate to translate from Spanish language to English language. So let's find out. The very first thing we want to do here is to go ahead and open my Chrome right here. So right here, I have some of Spanish website right here that we're going to test run with our Chrome browser. So I'm using latest version of Chrome browser. You can see it right here. What you need to do when you open up your Chrome browser. So like for instance, this particular website right here, I'm going to click on this website. Then you see everything here was written in Spanish, but automatically it's going to be recognized by Google Translate. What we want to do here is to simply click on Translate, then allow everything to translate into English language. And in a few seconds, it's going to translate it, just like what you see right here. So everything has been fully translated from Spanish into English language, just like what you see right here. You can see headline and all that. Okay, so you can see it right here. So at the same time, if you want to make use of your Google Translate to translate from Spanish into English language, that has to do with you copy text from the website or from anywhere and paste it in. Let's, for instance, I'm going to make use of another Spanish website right here. So I'm going to use this particular website right here. So I'm going to make use of this particular website right here. So I'm going to click on it. So right here from this particular website right here, what we want to do here, we can simply translate either text or image from the site right here. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to translate this particular section only. What we want to do is to simply make a screenshot. I'm going to screenshot this part. So having made a screenshot of this part right here, I'm going to exit from here now. Then I will go ahead and open my Google Translate right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on camera right here. Then I have to select my screenshot. I'm going to select my screenshot right here. Then I need to make sure I change the language right here. I'm going from original to translated. So we have to come down below right here, click on translated right here. So we are changing from Spanish into English language. So I'm going to click on here now. Then I'll have to make sure I select Spanish right here. So I'm going to simply search for it, Spanish, then change to English. In a few seconds, everything here will be translated. Then here, we can also copy this translation right here. We can click on select all. This will allow us to copy everything, or better still, we can copy some part of it. So we can click and hold down and then copy only this side of the translation. Everything depends on what exactly we really want to achieve right here. So once you highlight, click on copy, you can paste it somewhere else. It's that simple. So this is how to simply translate from Spanish to English language with Google Translate. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.